Yo, so we're back from America. Yo, New York is wild, seriously. It is wild across there. Immense fun. Yo, the people over there are lit, seriously. Yo, let's get building. Got a little bit of a surprise as well. Surprises are always good. Pegs, always need them. And pedals, one by one. And just a bit to build it. People say to me that I pack it too good, but I protect it. Try and spin it so you can see it. Just doing the handlebars. This I love to bits. A little mouse case or mouse clip, so you can clip and mount your phone to it. Very good. We'll do all the little adjustments in a bit. I am sure that everybody builds the bike in different ways, so this is not the correct way, but this is just my way of building it. As long as it's built, that's the main thing. Yeah! Just need to pump the tyres up. I haven't got a pump with me, but yes, that's it. Built up. The surprise comes next. Get ready.